go this way.
Don't push it. Now she likes to go fast.
Come on, just scaring us up.
You're scaring the mosquito bites.
Come on, stop.
Oh, because that's fun.
It is for her. She just started doing it. Let her go slow. Good girl.
Yay!
Oh. Like a circus.
Stop!
Oops. Harper, come up here a minute. Do your crab drink. Harper, do your crab dance for Ryan so he can film you. Do your crab dance. Come on.
That's so cute.
Do the worm dance.
Do the crab.
You gotta let her do the anaconda inside.
And the anaconda.
Do the anaconda.
Do it on
Do
the
the
grass.
anaconda in the pool.
Oh, now that's not starting something.
I'm gonna do it on Conda.
What'd she have to eat today?
Bugs.
Do the anaconda.
I know. It might be too cold to get down in there, Peanut. You can brave
Oh, snakes don't mind.
it. Are you gonna do it, little sneaky snake? Go ahead, anaconda. Go ahead.
Go.
It's much more wiggly on the carpet inside. It's cold on your belly. I don't blame you.
Torture.
I don't blame mine. I don't blame.
Go, girl, go.
Conda.
So you can see the full anaconda inside. Why don't you do your slides for the camera?
Is that? Huh?
Yeah, you did it.
She's waiting on a response.
For Lauren, huh?
You're getting tired? You want to go in? I think it's getting
Swim
cold.
there. Wait, to swim there.
I don't know what's mosquito bites and what's poison ivy anymore anyway.
Use that soap. It'll really help.
You ready?